Got a new pickup in. Picked these up. So I'm trying to run in these. Heard great reviews about these, so let's see how these fit. Got these for 50% off from Nordstrom's. So a box inside a box. Get my receipt first. Box inside of a box. I wonder if the box, there's no box for the shoes. Yeah, so there's no box for these shoes. That's the reason why. This might be like a display. So these are the Infinity Reacts. Over here, the black and white colorway. That Flyknit material. Check out the bottoms. That's why they're so cheap, because they don't have a box. But they should list it on the site, because they didn't list it on the site, so. Got that right there. Nike React Infinity. Other pair. Yeah, Nike React. I'm going to test these out for a run and see how these hold up. But I heard great reviews and I can't be mad at 50% off for these. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite running shoe that you guys use if you do run. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. And see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.